The A class is something that we're still focusing a lot on, especially straight from developers and just not really good operators, where we know we can come in and add that value and not have to spend a lot of money on the CapEx and come in with good debt, right? Fixed rate as low as we can possibly get. So those are definitely the ones we're targeting the most. Everybody's talking about the distressed deals, and there's a ton of bridge loans, right? Everything that was pretty much bought between 2021 and 2022, and yeah, there's some distress there. I think we're starting to see some of that for sure. My thing is, it's going to take a lot for me to want to buy one of those deals that if I can get it at the right price, right? And getting it at the right price is the key, because they were bought on the height of the market. Now you can't get the same type of financing, right? So that drops the price, and maybe they're over leveraged. So it's kind of it's going to have to go through the lender. The lender may have to modify their loan, all that kind of stuff. So I think there's opportunity there. I think it's going to be harder than people think. It's not just going to be out there to grab, right? You're going to have to put in some work, but that's some of what we're targeting as well.